Hi, hello, welcome to my channel, No Fake Bags. Today I wanted to show you my very loved pre-owned Gucci bag. I purchased this on eBay for about 90 euros, which ends up to be about, I think, 130 US dollars. This bag is, I think the model is called Hobo, D Hobo in gold hardware. And it's actually non-coated canvas, so it's you can see the way they manufactured this bag is about 15 to 10 years in the past. But still, I think it's a classic. It's a very lovely style. It's very light too, so it's an everyday bag. When I purchased this, I actually went to Gucci and I had the handle replaced. And it cost me just 50 euros, about 60, 70 US dollars. And yeah, I still use it over the past couple of years, probably every autumn, winter. It was my winter bag. I'm parting with this now, so that's why I'm just making a quick review for, you know, if somebody still is interested in this model and wants to compare the originality. Yeah, that's why I'm making this video, actually, just to give you a quick view of it from the outside. Just have some stuffing in here. Obviously I have the dust bag here as well with the nice lining. Okay, what do we have in here? Oh, I still have some, when I went to Gucci they got me this bag as well. Just a receipt in here that for the replacement of the handle. So yeah, fits loads in here. This is amazing. It's an extra tiny bag or pocket here for phone or lipstick, whatever you need it for. Yeah, it's very simple, neat inside, nothing too special, but that's why I love this bag so much. It's just, and goes with everything, you know, carry on, just one strap. You know, this is what it looks like if you have it on yourself, just like that. There you go. It's a classic. So yeah, this is the D Hobo non-coated canvas bag. Leave me some comments below if you have any questions about this bag. Well, it will be, if you see it on eBay, you will know it's the one for me. Let me know what you think.